Okay, today we have a shorted capacitor, which we went ahead and replaced, thinking that that was going to be the only issue. But instead, the capacitor has taken out the compressor as well. Check between hermetic and common, or common and your start, and common and your run, and it's getting infinite resistance between them. So that inexpensive part has now become an expensive part because our compressor is dead as well. So we will be replacing the outdoor unit and converting to probably 422D, or we may try the new R22D, because this is a out of warranty situation. So we'll be discussing that with the homeowner. So anyways, we'll show you that tomorrow. As always, like, subscribe, and have a wonderful day.